Happy Friday, y'all. Happy Friday. Friday. Happy Friday. I'm done with my morning route. I'm getting ready to head home. Actually, I'm going to Target first. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna buy Damon something. He tried to, I guess he want a parachute toy. So I think I'm gonna buy him one. I think this thing needs to be wiped off. Let me wipe this off real quick, y'all. Yes, that's better. I decided to wear this orange lipstick. Can y'all tell? How does it look? Leave that at the bottom. How does this orange lipstick look? I've been having it for a while. Let me wipe it off a little bit before I show y'all. At least let me do that. I've been having this for a while and I can't even remember what collection this lipstick came out in. Cannot remember. But this is what it looks like. As you see, it's orange. let me do this so y'all can really see what it looks like. It's orange. It's real orange. And like I said, I don't know which collection this actually came out in, but the packaging is really cute. Oh, wait a minute. It has it. I can't even see it. Bow something. I can't see it. I can't make it out. Y'all can if y'all could make that out, that's the collection. Bow wing? I don't know. But of course it's a MAC lipstick. So yeah, I don't know the collection, but this came out a couple of years ago and I just still have it. And I buy a lot of makeup and I don't even wear it. I was really into MAC makeup. Sorry. So yeah, I was really into MAC makeup, and anytime a collection came out and it had a really cute packaging, I was always suckered in. I went in, I got my plates yesterday. Got my plates. So I took care of that. I'm done with that. I just got to put the license plates on. Like I said, I'm getting ready to go down here to Target and then I'm going home. So far today wasn't bad. Wasn't a bad day. I've been wearing a little makeup. I don't even know if y'all can even make this out. I just been wearing a little bit of makeup. And I think it has a lot to do. Of course, I got the marks on the side of my nose from my sunglasses. I think I've been wearing makeup this week because I've been wearing this short hair. Most of the time, I do that. As y'all see, the short wig. Let me put this phone up here. Something telling me I shouldn't do this. I was gonna put the phone up on my little mount thing, but it keep on clicking this. I gotta get me a phone case. Well, my phone case actually supposed to come today. But I was gonna show y'all the hair again. This short wig. I think this is just the Outrage Pixie. I think Pixie something. I don't know. But I think I got a video on it, and it's an old video. So, yeah. But I actually like this. I actually like this wig, but I never wear it just like this. I always put a hat on with it. Yeah. But I do. I like it. Yep, I like it. I need to wash it. Yeah. So, yeah, that's my look for today. It's cold. So let me get going on up here to Target so I could get this kid this toy. He been wanting. Did I even say that or did I cut myself off? Last night when I came home, he was like, "Look, Mom, I made a parachute," and he made a parachute out of a out of a grocery bag, you know, just a regular grocery store plastic bag. And it wasn't doing what he wanted it to do. So I said, I'm gonna go to Target and buy him like those little G.I. Joe men that has the parachutes on them. So that's what I'm getting ready to do. Yeah, so. G.I. Joe men are?
If we have them, they should be down the way. Hey Adam, do we have any G.I. Joe stuff? No.
Oh, bummer.
We do not.
Do y'all have anything that has a parachute with it?
Anything that has a parachute. Adam, any toys that have a parachute with them?
There's Little Green Men,
Yeah.
but that's it.
That's it?
Cool.
Yeah.
Right here.
Oh yeah, there
Yep.
you go.
I'll
They
take
have
it.
parachutes on them.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Adam.
Thank you. This is actually one of the things I was looking for. Okay, here we go, y'all. This is the only thing that they have. I thought they had like G.I. Joe men. I thought they had G.I. Joe men, but they don't. So, we're gonna go with this. Now, I'm out of here. It's the only thing I came for. I remember when G.I. Joe used to just be like super popular and you could find those little action figures anywhere, but I guess not anymore. Yeah. This is it. All right, let's go check out.